Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this same series. I was not going to make another video, but this came out because if you look at the interior part, where all the small parts, are missing out here, they're not missing in the center. And it's really an optical illusion. I mean, if you look at it, what you're looking at. So all I did was made my box 4x4. I went ahead and made my nuts 3.99, and that way I won't have any lines showing. And I just hit plus and moved over. Control D, Control D. I tried mirroring it, but it didn't look as good. I mean, look at that. I don't know what I hit. Look at that. I mean, it's not maybe the coolest one I've made, but it worked out perfectly. And if you wanted to, well, let's try that to get rid of these parts. Let's group this together, Control G, and let's take a square, a rectangle. Let's zoom in a little bit. That'll make the video worth it, maybe. If you take a rectangle and you set a point right there on that node and then bring it down to, well, I guess you have to bring it down like to there. No, I'm still going to have to bring it down to here. Let me start that over. I'm going to go, because I don't want any halves. I don't want that gone, so I'm going to start a rectangle right there and then go down to there. I'll still have halves, but I won't get any missing part. And then select them both and go intersect. And by doing that, now look at that pattern. Well, I guess it's going to work because you got that white part's going to show up regardless. So maybe disregard that. Now, if you had another color background on there, it might look pretty cool. But anyway, that's a cool pattern. And really, if you didn't watch part 1, watch it. It's one of the easiest ones to make, and it looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.